Namaskar, good morning. I am Ranjan Kumar Amritudhi, video reporter from Amritudhi News, Patna, Bihar. Recently, an international webinar was organized jointly by Earth Journalism Network and UN Foundation on the IPCC Working Group 1 report, the latest science on climate change and its implications for the planet. Main speakers of this webinar were Yoba Sokona, Vice Chair IPCC, Special Advisor and Senior Director South Africa, Professor Carolina Vera, Vice Chair Working Group 1 IPCC and Professor in University of Buenos Aires, Argentina, and Swapna Panikal, author and scientist, IIMT India. Moderator of this webinar was James Hahn, who is Executive Director of Earth Journalism Network. IPCC full form is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, which was jointly founded by WMO and UNEP in 1988. In this webinar, Professor Carolina Vera said, unless there are immediate, rapid and large-scale reduction in greenhouse gases, limiting warming to 1.5 degrees centigrade will be beyond reach. It is indisputable that human activities are causing climate change, making extreme events including heat waves, heavy rainfall and droughts more frequent and severe. Carbon dioxide concentration highest in at least 2 million years, sea level rise fastest rates at 3000 years, Arctic sea ice area, Arctic level in at least 1000 years, glacier retreat unprecedented in at least 2000 years, extreme heat more frequent and more intense, heavy rainfall more frequent and more intense. Yoba Sokona also highlighted the negative consequences of global warming and climate change, and he appreciated the presentation of Professor Carolina Vera. In this webinar, senior scientist and author IIMT India, Swapna Panikal said, climate change is bringing multiple different changes in different regions and dryness to winds, snow and coastal areas and oceans. To limit global warming, a strong, rapid and sustained reduction in greenhouse gases emissions are necessary. This would not only reduce the consequences of climate change but also improve air quality. This webinar is a commendable step to combat global warming and climate change for the survival of human beings and animals and green trees on this earth. Moderator of this webinar was James Fan. His role as a moderator was excellent. We should support such webinars and IPCC webinars and webinars based on environmental conservation and education should be also supported by school principals and college principals for global environmental education to combat climate change and global warming and environmental pollution. Congratulations to Yoba Sokona, Professor Carolina Vera, Swapna Panikal, James Fan and his dedicated team for this excellent webinar which was based on climate change. Best wishes to Earth Geology Network, UN Foundation speakers and IPCC group for the success in their mission to save human beings and animals and plants from the tentacles of global warming, climate change and environmental pollution. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.